Litti choka. Litti choka. They are making litti choka. It is a very famous dish of Bihar. And they are giving one piece in 20 rupees and two piece in 30 rupees. Very nice, brother. Good. Yes, that's my channel.
Wow. 7.5 लाख फॉलोवर्स है भाई।
Thank you so much.
ये व्लॉग कब आएगा ब्रो?
Within 2-3 days. My name is Dhruv.
थैंक यू सर।
Thank you. Okay. Jai Shri Ram. Jai Shri Ram. Shri Ram is a Hindu god, guys.
100 रुपए का ये, 100 रुपए का ये, 100 रुपए का ये, 100 रुपए, 100 रुपए, 100 रुपए।
100 rupees.
100 रुपीज।
अच्छा 100 रुपए. Only 100 rupees for one piece. You can get anything. I mean, can you please give me? दियो पेपर देना उसको. Yes, show me. This is only for 100 rupees, guys. If you have a kids in your home, you can get it from here, guys. This was the way where I went, but that was the biggest mistake of my life. I mean, I couldn't even move there. There was so much crowd, guys. And now I came back, and the temperature of my camera were high, and I had to make it cool down. And now I'm going back to my way, to Chandni Chowk. It's only 9 minutes to 10, guys. Okay. I would never go in Sadar Market again, guys. That was not a market I wanted to visit. So much crowdy. I don't know how people do come there and shop anything for their shops. Now I'm going again to the way from where I came here. Okay, this is also a shop, but I don't want to go into this shop. Okay, but I would try to show you a narrow alley if I will get in middle of my way. People are enjoying their food, and now only this is the only man selling here vegetables. I did not get anyone who is selling vegetable in this market, but that was the only person. The awesome world without space. I think I should make some business card for my channel so that I can give to the person who asked, who will ask to know my channel. Okay, I think this person is the father of that boy. 9-year boy was selling here the candy. You can see that board, the black board there, chawal wala. Chawal means rice. In Hindi we call it chawal. Actually it is rice. So this shop belongs to rice. Okay, just opposite where I am walking. And this is also a spice market, guys. I can feel the aroma of these spices. I don't know if I'm wrong, but I have heard this is uh, one of the biggest Asia's market of spice. I don't know if it is true or not, but I have heard it. So it could be possible because it is a very big market of spice. This man was looking at me. He was the wax cleaner. He could clean wax from your ears. But I don't know if it is safe or not, but it's okay. I have seen so many vlogs of the foreigners. They come here and they they make them clean their ear with, I don't know if their equipment or required gears what they have are clean or not, but they make them clean their ears. I am again in a flower market. 70 rupees per kg. 70 rupees per kg. Okay, this is the time in India. Actually, this is Navratri is going on here in India, and in Navratri this is the festival for 8 or 9 days. Okay, so that is why these people are selling here these all flowers and all leaves like that, because people can worship their god. With these all thing. Okay, I'm at the same place now. This is something like rabdi. This man is selling a rabdi. These two and these two. Yes, he was also selling rabdi there. I don't know, but I am feeling so good today because I am walking. I am only walking here. I did not come here to buy anything. I just wanted to make my vlog. Or it is not a vlog actually. I am filming the city, but still I am talking too much, I think. So you can call it vlog.
Are you back?
Okay, I think I should go there for 100 or 200 meters and then I will come back to again where I was going. I don't know which place is this, but this is nearby Chandni Chowk obviously, and this is also a wholesale market, but all shops are closed here. So I think I should go back from here now. So I should go back from here. Maybe in the future I would try to come in Sadar when it would be not the time of festivals. Because at the time of festival there is so much crowd. Okay, but I don't want to face that much crowd here because I couldn't move myself. There it was, I was stuck there. I was stuck in between. And camera shut down. And now I have already changed the second battery what I got with this camera, because I got two batteries. One is with the camera and one extra battery I got from Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Okay. This man was making juice with his hand. That was the hand machine. He has to use his manpower to get juice from the all fruits what he had. Look at this Chota Hathi, means a tempo. This is a garbage truck, a small truck of garbage. It's used to come at our places so that we can throw our litter of our home in it. Okay. This is a facility the last government has given us. So that's very, very good. Now I'm not in the sunlight because I don't want again my camera to be hot. When I started my video, my last video or maybe this video, because I don't know if this video is gonna be the second video or part 2. So in my last video I told you that I'm not this video would be normal walking video. I will not talk too much, but if I feel like to describe you anything, I'll do that for you. But now I'm talking too much and this is my first time. I don't know should I speak that much or not, but it's good. I feel good to be here. This is a famous shop, guys. Bombay famous, okay, whatever it is. And they have come here. I'm going to set up their stall. Okay, the footwear market I was talking about, still it's not open. Only few people have come here, and this is guava, guys. Guava fruit. कितने रुपए किलो है? 100 rupees kg for 1 kg. Oh, that's a nice price, guys. I mean, 100 rupees kg for these guavas. Okay, it's $1.2 maybe, or $1.1. Yes, $1.1 only, and not even 1.2. It's only $1.1. 100 rupees only, or I can say £1. Okay. They have opened this shop. I mean, few people will come here and open their shop because these people have to give a lot of rent for these shops. So they think they come here and open these shops on Sunday too, so that they can do good business on Sunday too. Because as you can see, lots of people are here. I think this time I should go at that side because I came here from this side, but because of the sunlight, I'm not going there. I'm just taking this way. People are waving at the camera. Yeah. Walking video, walking. I think he wants to know my channel. Yes, brother.
क्या कोई चैनल बना ले क्या आपका?
Yes.
कौन सा?
The awesome world without space. आप टाइप कर लो. I think he is gonna subscribe it today.
The Awesome?
The awesome world without space world. Without space. World. Yes, that's my channel.
Wow. 7.5 लाख फॉलोवर्स है भाई.
Thank you so much.
ये व्लॉग कब आएगा ब्रो?
Within 2-3 days. My name is Dhruv.
थैंक यू सर.
Thank you. Okay. Jai Shri Ram. Jai Shri Ram. Shri Ram is a Hindu god, guys. This is a Gandhi market, Gandhi Chowk, I think. गांधी चौक है ये?
नहीं.
तो क्या बोलते हैं इसको?
ये टाउन हॉल.
Town hall. Okay, I was wrong, guys. This is a town hall. Town hall. This is new sadak, new street or road, you can say. And this is town hall, not Gandhi Chowk. Okay, that was my mistake. Sorry. How much is the battery percentage now? The second battery is at 79% and 18 minutes have been completed.
Om Namah Shivaya. Om Bhadraya.
I will try to come here on any weekdays. Okay, guys, on any weekday. So these all litter still here. Not good. This alley is not that too small, and all shops are not open, so I'm not going into it. But okay.
जिसको जो
This is the Parathe Wali Gali, guys. I told you about. Even I went there for a minute.
कौन सा मेरा
This is the Haldiram here in Chandni Chowk. You guys don't prefer to come on a street, I mean to eat on a street, so you can eat here in Haldiram. This is Haldiram. And guys, I'm not talking so loudly here. I'm just talking as normal people talk. So I don't know how is the sound or voice is, but I'm gonna definitely decrease the background noise in this video at the time of editing. Again, I'm at the Sheeshganj Gurdwara, and if you guys want to see it, so I can show you the main entrance, but it would not be covered from here. I have to go opposite side so that I can show you. But I told you the sunlight. Okay. I told you about the sunlight. I don't want to. This is the Sheeshgंज Gurdwara, guys, and I don't want to make my camera again hot, so I have to go back at that side.
स्वागत है।
Of course. You're welcome. That man was saying that आपका स्वागत है. आपका स्वागत है means you're welcome. In Hindi we call it like आपका स्वागत है, but in English it's you're welcome. Okay, another two women are selling vegetables here. Hi.
हाँ जी खलीफा जी।
Okay. These are the Patri market I was talking about. On Sunday, lots of people come here and set up these kind of Patri market. I'll show you more.
अरे मैं भी
These are the Patri markets, guys.
रखी गई थी वो
And now I have come back to this very famous shop here. This is very old and famous. Very old and famous jalebi wala. Okay, and they have rabdi too. And the jalebi is actually costly. But do you know what? Actually, they make it in desi ghee. Desi ghee is a pure butter. I told you in my last video. So that is why it's costly. But it's too good, but so sugary. Okay. Do you wanna see that jalebi? Oh, I didn't show you. I think I should go back and show you the jalebi. How does it look? If I could, I'll show you the jalebi. Okay. I think they do not have any jalebi right now. Or maybe. So these are the jalebi, guys. Okay. They serve it with rabdi, but you have to pay extra for the rabdi. But people have mixed review of it. I mean, few people do not like that sugary jalebi, but many people like the jalebi also. These jalebi also. Okay. Okay. This man is from Haryana. He came here on cycle and he is serving these chaat. Chaat is actually comes from yogurt. Okay, they mix the yogurt and mix a little bit of water and they get the chaat. So look at the chaat. Okay, he has added some of. Okay, this is the chaat, guys. Oh, okay, this is chaat. कितने रुपए का भाई गिलास? 20 rupees for only one glass. I mean, it's good. 20 rupees for a glass. It's good. This is a narrow alley here. I don't know if I should go there or not. This is another market. This market is not only on this road. It is there also. It is everywhere. It is very, very big market. Like I can show you there. This is a very famous and old and famous building of the Bharatiya State Bank of India. Okay, guys. And it's Sunday. It's closed today. Okay, I think he must be the famous Chole Kulche person. Okay, good. He was telling that so many people come here to eat. This Chole Kulche was very, very famous person on this street. I don't know his name, but it's okay.
सीधे जाएंगे
Now, I don't know why people are honking like that. Why do they honking that much? We do not have only air pollution. We have noise pollution also in India. Okay, but it's okay. It's my country. What I can do about it? Okay. These are the decorated items for decoration of your home, lighting. Like the Diwali is just about to come, as I told you in my last video. So, कितने रुपए किलो है? Okay, 150 rupees kg and 200 rupees kg, red one. Okay, this man is selling guava in 150 rupees kg and 200 rupees kg. But the last man who I got on the street was selling the guavas and 100 rupees kg only. So, and the guava was same. They look like same. The another person from Haryana giving here lassi. Lassi, we call it lassi, they call it chach. Chach and lassi is the same thing. It could be simple plain lassi or it could be spicy one. Or as per your requirement, you can make it black pepper or green chili, whatever you want to add it. You can add and drink that lassi. Okay, I think I should walk in this. Okay, market is not completely open, so I'm not going there. And as I have already told you, I don't want to walk in the sunlight too much because it could be cause of my camera be hot.
हम दोबारा खोलने आ रहे भाई
Last time when I came here, I got a bag from this shop and it was only for 300 rupees. It was a school bag. Yeah, and only for 300 rupees. That was really nice. and it was really nice bag. So you could afford it easily. I mean, $300 is about only $3.5 maybe, or less than $3.5. Okay, this is also entrance for this temple. I'm not gonna go inside it because I don't go to the temples. This is a pottery market, guys. I was talking about. Look at these all dolls. कितने रुपए की डॉल है? 100 rupees. One doll is only for 100 rupees. $1.1 guys. Only 100 rupees. Nice, that's nice. But I'm not gonna buy anything. I just asked people if they are comfortable to tell me. Okay. 50 rupees for all items. This one is for 50 rupees. Arey wow. This one is for 50 rupees only. Look at these, all items are only in 50 rupees. You can get anything, whatever you want to have, want to take, buy. Okay. Whenever I ask to people कितने रुपए का है, that means what is the price? Okay. Again we get 100 rupees doll. It's there. 100 rupees.
बना उसको बना वायरल कर दो बैठिए सारा कंपनी भैया सारा पर्यटन मेरे भाई.
Look at these jeans. I don't know if these are new or not.
सारा कंपनी सारा पर्यटन इधर मिलेगा ये 100 रुपए का ये 100 रुपए का ये 100 रुपए का ये 100 रुपए
100 rupees.
100 रुपीस.
अच्छा 100 रुपए. Only 100 rupees for one piece. You can get anything. I mean, can you please give me? Do you paper देना उसको? Yes, show me. This is only for 100 rupees, guys. If you have a kids in your home, you can get it from here. Chandni Chowk is a cheap market. When I try to make a video, Tiffany it is.
अभी आ रहे हैं तो ये 100 का दो ये 100 रुपए का दो 100 रुपए का दो 100 रुपए का दो 100 रुपए का दो
200 rupees for two. Okay. Now I came outside of this Chandni Chowk market, and here you can see the Red Fort. Red Fort is there, and yes. Where should I go now? I don't know. Okay, stop the. No, I don't want to stop my recording because I want to cross the road and walk there. Well, this is the bus, guys. One second. I have to go from here. Okay. It's not that hard to cross the road for me, guys, because I'm Indian. Otherwise, it could be very difficult to cross the road from these kind of road. Okay, in India. Okay, now this is Red Fort. Should I go there or there? I don't know. I think I should go there.
ये लो 100 रुपए दिए 100 रुपए
Okay, now I think these are the food stalls here. We are just going to the close to these food stalls now, and okay. 30 rupees for 2 bhatura. Bhatura, okay. Bhature is made of I don't know, wheat flour, not wheat flour. I don't know what is maida in English, and I forgot. Sorry. This man is making here noodles. He was making noodles there.
ये पिछाई डाली कुछ ये भाई 16 रुपए ये 14 रुपए 12 रुपए दे दिया और साहब 14 रुपए
He is selling here chola kulchas. These are the bhatures, guys, I was talking about. This girl is selling her pen, but I don't think she is selling her pen. She is forcing them to buy it. This is real Delhi, guys. If you want to visit here in Delhi, please, I would definitely recommend you to come here. You will get so different kind of food and so many things to watch, see. Okay. I have to see how much is the battery percentage now. It's 48%. Okay. Still, I can shoot for 45 minutes. I think. This is the kulfi man. As you can see, the ice, yes. And these are the bottles. Okay. Made of glasses. He was selling just soda. It was a soda, okay. We call it Banta in Delhi. And this is a local tattoo man here. He makes tattoo. You can choose from it. Like these all are the tattoos. And you can go to him. He was coming to me. He thought I am the customer, but I am not. Obviously, I don't like tattoo. I mean, I like tattoo, but not on my body. Do you think it is still as a walking vlog, walking video right now? No, I don't think so, because it is a vlog. I think just it is not a face cam video, but still it is a vlog. This is the bhature. Here you can see 30 rupees for 2 pieces. These are the bhatures. These 2 pieces with these chole will come in 30 rupees only. 30 rupees. How much is the 30 rupees? 30 rupees is only less than $half. Yes, because $half is about 44 rupees, and these were in 30 rupees only. As you can see, this man is a Bhel Puri person. They were Bhel Puri man, dad and dad too. Okay. You can weight here your body weight in only 5 rupees. He didn't come, he didn't choose to be a beggar. He just choose to be a business person here. You can see that is so nice. But I have a weighing machine at my home, so I don't want to do that. Okay. Again, sunlight has come on my camera. Oh, now the shadow is good of these trees. But look at the place, guys. It's so dirty. I don't know why people make places all dirty like that. If they could throw these or garbage in a dustbin. That man was also doing that job. And I want to go that side, but I don't know from where I can go there. So I'm still on this side right now. But it's okay. I can walk here too. They all have same prices. I think I should run a little bit because of the sunlight. Now I can cross the road. Huh? Should I go there or not? I don't know, but yes. I think this is the way to go to the Red Fort, but it is closed. People are jumping the barriers. I don't know why people do things like that. Everyone is jumping from here because there is one more way, but they have to go from this side, and it's a little bit far. Not too much, but a little bit. Don't ever trust these kind of beggar, because the child they have, it's probably possible that they are not the mother or father. They are not the parents of that child, because they have stole child from somewhere and use him or her for the begging like that. So I never gave money to these kind of people. And as you can see, the child also was sleeping. You will never see a child who is not sleeping in their carry, because they give the child something so that they good sleep. Okay, and now this is bad, yeah. Okay, I want to go there, but from this red light, I will go there. I have to run from here again. Okay. I think I should cross the road from this. I don't recommend to do the same, guys. But because I am from Delhi itself, I can cross the road like that. I have experience. 1 second. Okay. Oh, I think I'm in Chor Bazaar again, the thief market. I'm a little bit exhausted. I think I need to take a break and give myself something to drink. That would be fine. So just wait for a second, guys. Okay, guys. The camera was off, but I was supposed to show you something very good here, and but camera was off. But now I am going again to shoot that thing. That is a very interesting thing. A lady I got there on the street, she was selling the shoes, the same shoes what I am wearing, and I have to come here again. Okay. Now look at the shoes she has. Look at the shoes she has. She has the same shoes. I asked for the price and she is selling it in only 650 rupees. And I have the same shoes. I wear the same shoes here. But my camera was off. That is why I had to come here again. She was laughing at that time, and now she was in shock. She was in shock. She was in shock, and she was okay. Why I came back to show this thing again. Okay. Okay, my shoes, I got it in 1000 rupees from a showroom of Judio, which is a Tata brand of Tata. Tata is a very famous brand here in India. I don't know about the, I mean, it would be definitely a famous brand in all over the world, but here in India it is a very good brand. So I got it from the Judio in 1000 rupees, and that lady was selling the old shoes in 650 rupees. It was only about the bargaining. If you put a bargain, you can get it in about 300 rupees, I think, which is less than $3.5, I think. Yes. These are not new shoes, guys. They wash the old shoes, and they are selling these all here. Again, this area is again very crowded, and this is Chor Bazaar, guys. I don't think I should be inside the market, but I am not getting the way to come out from here. Okay. This man was selling fish which is inside a bottle of yellow water. In my last video I tried to show you these all birds, but it was early in the morning and not all shops were open, so I came here again, guys. In the second video you can see these are the all birds here. Okay. These birds again, pigeon. Oh my god. I have to keep my camera under my shadow because it's too hot here. My camera is just under my shadow, guys. I hope it will not become hot. Football. Now I can go outside of the market. I think yes. But this man won't stop. I think, but he has already stopped here. Okay, I'm not outside of the market. I'm still in the market here, guys. I'm still in the market and in a crowd like that. Oh my god. I think I should use that side. That side. I think it would be possible to go from here that side. Okay. Good. Should I go there? Okay. This is, guys, Chor Bazaar, thief market. The most of the items have been stolen from somewhere or from someone. They are selling here, I think. That is why they call it Chor Bazaar. That means thief market. I just come again into the market. Okay. चोरी का माल क्या कह रहे हो भाई? इट्स ओके, बोल सकते हो यार. I was just making a video, that is why he just quiet. He keep quiet, otherwise he was telling that chori kamal, chori kamal. Okay. चोरी कमाल।
हेलो ओ प्रधान है हेलो इधर वो मैं खत्म कर दिया भैया आइए ना हमारे पास
Battery percentage is at 20 and orange. So I don't know what I want to do. I just come out and go again in the market.
जी हाँ एकदम सॉफ्ट दिखने वाला टेपर ग्लास आइए यहाँ से लगवा कर दीजिए कीप वॉकिंग
वापसी ला के देना मेरे को
So guys, these all toys are available in 100 rupees, but these this will not work for last long. Okay, these are the toys. Somebody was playing their Bhojpuri song. The man was telling there must be a from Bihar. Bihar is a state of India. So guys, I'm again in the Chandni Chowk market, but now I'm gonna show you what is that side left at the Chandni Chowk. I mean, I'm going just forward from here. Until my battery is working, I'm making the vlog. Oh my god. That was not easy to make or film the city. It was not easy today because its temperature is too high here. I don't know how much is the temperature in Delhi now, but I can see it in my phone. But for that, I think I have to switch on my not this one. What is the weather? Weather, okay. It's 33 degrees Celsius. It's not that much according to Delhi, because in Delhi it goes up to 50 degrees Celsius each and every year in the summer. In summer, and now you can see these places. The temple you want to see, if you want to see the temple, this is the temple. And this is Lal Killa. Lal Killa is the Red Fort, metro station of the Red Fort. Okay. They haven't started to make tikki because they have 5-4 things in a menu. But because, and what is the time? It's 11. It's 11 a.m. right now, guys. Okay. Look how these people wash the plates of the chole bhatura. The food. Old Lajpat Rai Market. Litti Chokha. Litti Chokha. They are making Litti Chokha. It is a very famous dish of Bihar. And they are giving 1 piece in 20 rupees and 2 piece in 30 rupees. Very nice, brother. Good. And this is the lift to go to the metro station for physically challenged people. But if someone is old, they also can use this lift. I do not recommend to the people who can go by themselves in a metro station. So don't occupy lift. This is a toilet, guys. Okay. I don't know why I'm showing you the toilet, but whatever I feel like to do, I'm doing it. The Litti Chokha again. Prices are same. People love it. And you know what? Bihar is a poor state. And lots of people who are from Bihar come here to work and get their bread and butter. And they do come here to get their bread and butter. That is why the store like that are available in Delhi, and so many hardworking people are working in the Chandni Chowk market. That is why I already shows you the people. They were from Bihar or UP or somewhere in the state like that, which does not have that opportunities in their state. And in India, in Delhi, what is the population in Delhi? Actually, it is more than 2 crore. 2 crore is 20 million. So it is more than 20 million. Can you believe that? And it is only in a government record. Otherwise, I feel it is more than that. And it is a very small in area, Delhi. It's not that big according to the population, but still you can see lots of people come here for to get the good opportunity, but even we, the Delhi people, do not get the good opportunity here in Delhi. So I don't know why these people come here. It's okay. Okay guys,